Alright, what's up YouTube? Today I want to talk a little bit about symptoms of getting on the keto diet. So there are symptoms, a lot of people call it, it's referred to as the keto flu. Basically what's happening is your body's getting into that transition period of using glucose and carbs as fuel for your muscles and your brain and transferring that into using fats and ketones as fuel. So when you hit that transition period, your body doesn't do it like instantly. It's going to take a little bit of time before your body realizes, holy crap, I don't have any more glucose. What do I do? And that's really what's happening, is there's this little hesitation period where it doesn't just switch over immediately, and during that time you're going to lose a lot of energy. You're just going to feel fatigued, you're going to be groggy, you're going to be tired. And that's like the main thing. Personally, that's probably the only thing that I experienced, and that was for like a day or two. After that, as soon as my body switched over, I had so much more energy. I felt amazing. I would go into work every day feeling incredible. So that symptom really didn't hit me that much. I know other people that, one of my friends, he's been doing a keto diet for about 9 months now. When he first started, he was playing basketball with some guys, and he just couldn't dribble the ball. Like, he was just too tired, and his muscles just were so drained of glucose that he just couldn't actually function. So that is a possibility. And at first it might be a little scary because you're like, what the hell, why am I so tired on this diet? It's just a transition phase. Once you get through that, stick with the diet, all your energy will come back. You'll have even more energy than you will before. I swear to you, it will work. Just stick to the diet. One of the other main issues is your GI tract. You might run into like diarrhea and all this other stuff. That one it'll come. It's definitely going to happen. Again, it's just your body transitioning from using carbs and having carbs to eating tons of fat. It's just a transition period. Your body will change again. And again, that's not something to be worried about. It's just something that, it's going to happen. But it won't hurt you. You won't die from it. So, no problem there. Also, when you get into this fatigued state and everything, you're going to be so drowsy. There were times where, again, personally, I really didn't hit any bad symptoms, but my friend who was playing basketball, he said at work he just couldn't figure out like simple problems and stuff like that like he used to. Again, it's just your brain switching from one fuel source to another. There's going to be a transition period. You're going to hit stuff. Don't worry about it. Again, this isn't everyone. My friend hit all these symptoms. I've barely got anything. But my advice to you is, if you get these symptoms, power through it. It's just a phase. They're all going to change. They'll all go back to normal. Right now, I've been doing this a little over a month now. I feel amazing. Every day I wake up, I have energy. I go throughout the entire day with energy. My work hasn't suffered at all. I don't know if it necessarily got better, but, I haven't hit any major symptoms. So not everyone will. But if you do, work through that, keep sticking to the diet, and everything will come back. Your energy will come back. Your cognitive abilities will come back. Everything will be fine if you stick to the diet. That's the thing. You have to stick to it. If you stray off one day at the beginning, you're going to set yourself back 5 days. At the beginning, you have to be very strict. You got to really stay focused. After you've been doing it for a while, if you have a cheat day, you might be able to bounce back into ketos within a day or two. But at the beginning, stick to the diet. You have those symptoms, just leave them alone. They're gonna happen. Don't worry about it. Stick to the diet. It will all get better. I swear to you. Alright, that's my rant.